Hi guys! Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a sandwich because clearly some people don't know how. So today I'm gonna be teaching you. Oh, I already said that. Okay. Excuse that crow. So let's get into it. Transition. I got my Nutella, because this is what I'm gonna be using. A transition. And I got my bread. Yeah. That was my transitions. So now, you move your Nutella to the side. And you untwist this little twisty thingamabobber. That face. And twist it open until it's completely open. Then grab a slice, if you would like. Put it in the toaster. Oh wait, you don't know how to do that either. Well, sorry. Grab another slice. Now, move your thing to the side and clap them together as so. Okay, now we're ready. Put one down on the table. Put the other one to the side. Open the jar of Nutella. Taste it with your finger. Okay, good. Now, take whatever you're gonna be spreading it with. In my case, I'm gonna be spreading it with my finger because I was too lazy to go get a spoon. Spread it all over that toast until it's completed. Then you simply put the two slices together and lick all the Nutella off the spoon or whatever. And you have a completed sandwich. It's just bread. Okie dokie, there you go. No, I need to put more on. I'm sorry. Nutella's just too delicious. Okay, here we go. Okay. Now. That way, your wife does not have to do it for you. You are now a certified sandwich maker. I just lost the Nutella lid. It's under the chair. Put it back on the Nutella and put all your ingredients away. Thank you. Yeah. Subscribe. Actually, don't subscribe. I want you to laugh. So do whatever you want.